The farthest objects in our universe discovered by modern astronomers are so distant that the light emitted by them takes billions of years to reach the Earth. These objects, known as quasars, have many puzzling features which have not yet been satisfactorily explained. What is the distance in kilometers of a quasar from which light takes 3 billion years to reach us? Let the distance be d kilometers. We know that the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The time taken by light to reach us is 3 billion years, which is given in the question. That is 3 into 10 to the power 9. Now we convert these into seconds by multiplying it by 365 days, 24 hours, 60 minutes, 60 seconds. Therefore, the distance is equals to speed into time, that is speed of light into time taken. The speed of light is given as 3 into 10 to the power 8 and the time is given as following. Therefore, we get as 2.8 into 10 to the power 22 meters, and in kilometers the value would be 2.8 into 10 to the power 19 kilometers.